Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Make sure your PC and the host are on the same LAN or connected via VPN, then note the host IP or machine name. Next, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, and set your network profile to private so network discovery and file sharing are available. Finally, test access to the host by pinging or opening / hostname. If prompted, use the prepared credentials so you don't hit permission blocks later. Now map the drive and handle the detailed execution. Open File Explorer, right-click this PC, and choose Map Network Drive. Pick an unused drive letter for clarity, then type the share path as / host /share or / 192, 168, 50 / shared folder. This targets the specific resource. Check Reconnect at Sign-In to persist mapping across reboots, and click Connect using different credentials when your Windows login differs from the share account. Finish by verifying access and resolving common issues. Open the new drive in File Explorer and test reading, and creating a file to confirm permissions and connectivity. If access fails, make sure Windows Firewall or the host firewall isn't blocking SMB. Temporarily disable or create an allow rule for file and printer sharing, then retest. Also verify SMB1. 0 is not required unless legacy device demands it. If problems persist, double-check credentials, ensure both systems share the same workgroup or domain, and reboot both machines before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.